Nusantara OS latest update just arrived, which was version based on 4.2 version 1 maybe, and now 4.3 version is also out again very quickly. But one major change is here, which is of course it's now based on Android 12L. This is a version which I'm talking about right now, Android version 12 with the March security patch, of course, but not actually Android version 12. This is Android 12L with all those animations and new things and new features which you have in Android 12L. We're gonna talk about all those things a little bit, so make sure to watch this video till the end. I hope you will love this video. This is the default thing which we have. If you hold here, you can see this kind of UI where you can switch between the recent wallpapers very easily. For example, if you want to switch between other wallpapers, which means you have applied some wallpapers recently, you can easily switch. And if you click this, the animation of switching these wallpapers like this looks damn cool. This honestly looks quite interesting, and this is the feature which you have in Android 12L. So yes, this Nusantara OS is based on Android 12L. Same like that, if you move on to the quick settings panel, of course you have this kind of pop-up maybe available with Wi-Fi internet, and we have screen recorded tiles available, but this one has better animations. It was previously included also in the 4.2 version also, but this time we have better options available for you in better animations. Android 12L is all about animations, and as I just mentioned, I already made a video on that thing, so make sure to check out that if you want to check it out. I will provide you the link in the pinned comment option. Same like things with the recents panel here. You can see the clear all is now not an option, it's actually a button. I'm just talking about some few of the changes which you have in Android 12L version, so that you might find this ROM quite useful for you. Other than else, one of the best things about this one is that Nusantara OS did not compromise much features for you. Like in some custom ROMs, if they have now implemented the Android 12L features, Android 12L UI, they just compromise some features. But in Nusantara OS, you have all those features available for you. You have face unlock available, you have fingerprint lock unlock available, and same kind of things. You also have the app lock available too, which looks of course quite interesting and quite useful. I sometimes use app lock, sometimes don't, but sometimes I use face unlock too, just to check it out that how is the speed going on. And yes, it's not a device specific review, so I'm not going to talk about which things are working, which are not. So I think so you got that. Now moving on to Nusantara Wings option, where you have some customizations or basically features. For example, if you move on to the miscellaneous section, notification section, all the customizations which you were looking for are already present here. Even though if you move on to the theme section, you have the font customizations, you have the navigation bar style customizations. Navigation bar looks quite interesting, you can customize that very easily. Some icon pack customization, RGS etc. is there. PUI icon pack is not actually implemented, so kind of weird, but we have Google Sans fonts etc. Almost every interesting thing. And you can see custom monet engine is also already available in the Android 12L, so that looks better. Same kind of thing with some other customizations like lock screen customizations which are already included, some status bar customizations with battery clock etc., and some hardware buttons and some other customizations which are already included. These were some of the best things about Nusantara OS, and it might be a very good choice for you. If you want to try it out, you can very easily by installing it from the custom recovery, and you are good to go. These were things I just want to let you know. Other than else, of course, some customizations you already know are already implemented. As I just mentioned, they didn't compromise any major feature in my opinion. Other than else, things are basically same. And including that, let me show you one two more things here. That this is actually quite smooth, as I tried it on Redmi Note 10 Pro here. Redmi Note 10 Pro has 120Hz refresh rate, so that might also be the thing, but other than else, things are basically same. Let me show you by moving into one more thing. If I disable this double line clock, you'll be able to use a small clock in your lock screen. If you don't want that large clock which is already available in the lock screen with Android 12, you can disable that. And same like that, if you move on to the quick settings panel and want to add or remove any tile from here, you don't need to hold, drag and drop. You simply need to click, it will be added. If you want to remove that, simply one click and it will be removed from there. So these are some useful things which you have in Nusantara OS which might be useful for you too. So if you want to try it out, you can very easily. Same with that, we have the Pixel launcher pre-installed, which was expected. If you need some customizations in launcher, you can get that very easily. How? You simply need to install the custom launcher called launcher. The widget section is also revamped with Android 12L version. which if you don't know, you can try it out on your device and then you will find out definitely. These were things I just want to let you know. Link is in the description as I just mentioned. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.